What's up, kids? Guys, in today's epic video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a sale price in your Shopify store, or as some of you may know, a compare it price. Guys, it took me a long time to figure this out, and if you're new to this channel, I've been making money online with Shopify for, I don't know, 8 to 10 years, something like that. Actually, 10. We'll keep it at 10 today. But again, I struggled with trying to figure out how to frickin', have it crossed out, the normal price, and then have it the red little, icon that's, in red and says sale. And what I'm also going to do in this video, other than show you that, I'm also going to show you how you can add variants within Printful, who's the print-on-demand company that I use for all my products that are on Shopify. But if you watched yesterday's video, which a lot of you did not, why not? I'm gonna base it off of that product, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a 24-hour sale just to show you guys that by adding this compare it price or sale price within Shopify, we're just going to see how many sales that we can get. I'm going to drop the price, and that's why I'm making this sale price video. I'm going to drop the price. I'm going to create a discount. Well, not a discount. I take that back. I'm going to create a announcement bar, a banner up top, that kind of like what we did 2 videos ago, and you didn't watch that one either. Guys, I try to help you guys make money with Shopify and amongst other things, but why don't you guys watch my videos? I mean, you start to watch them and then you don't. And like yesterday's video, I'm not going to lie, it was one of my best videos. And you don't really see that until like the 5-6 minute mark. But you guys aren't making it that far, so you don't see how good the videos are. Plus, if you're not watching the videos to the end, then you're not serious about making money online, in my opinion. But I love you. I just wish you guys would watch the entire video. So, with this video, could you please watch the whole freaking thing? I know that they're long and there's a lot of ums and this, that, and the others. And the others? Is that what I just said? I know they're long and all that stuff, guys, but there's valuable information in there. And if you're new to this channel, I've been making money for over 25 years. And a lot of it has to do with Shopify and print on the demand. So anyway, guys, I'll flip it around. I'll shut my mouth and we'll get this party started. Okay, kids, I am, as you can see, logged into my Shopify dashboard, and I just wanted to show you guys this, how much money I've made on Shopify in the last, basically 2 years. Let me refresh this for you. As you can see, it says $194,909.71. I didn't say that right. But let me refresh it just so you know I'm not full of the baloney. See that? Guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm very transparent, as most of my subscribers know. And I drink entirely too much coffee, and I have ADHD. But anyway, some of you asked me what I listen to, what I'm listening to. Or why I have headphones in, or AirPods in. This is my ADHD focus music. And I have it very lightly turned down. So, anyway, enough of that shit. Let's dive right in, guys. Again, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, watch it, because this will make more sense. But what I'm going to do, guys, is I am going to go over to that product that we created yesterday, and it's the product that we are doing the the sale price for today. And guys, make sure that I might do it in a story. I might make a video about it, but I'm going to show you guys that this stuff can work. I actually think my prices are a little bit high, but so this is kind of going to be a test for me. This 24-hour type sale. It's not going to be 24 hours. It's going to be like 12. But anyway, I'll shut up and let me go over to Printful because I was just going to show you guys real quickly. It's never real quick, as we know. I'm going to click on my stores because I want to add a couple more variants to this hat that we created yesterday, which in my opinion is freaking epic. But we'll find out soon if people like it or not. It's not always what you guys think will sell, just so you know. Yeah, I won't go into that. So I'm going to click on View Store, my Shopify store. And here's the product right here, guys. I'm going to simply click on it. Click on it. Then I'm going to scroll down, guys, and I'm going to go over here and click Add Variants. So we have 2 variants right now, but I want to make 2 more. So click Add Variants. And guys, we are going to get to the Shopify price thing of why you came to watch this video in just 1 second. Hola. Oh my gosh, guys. So anyway, we needed to make this video shorter anyway. I'm not going to be able to show you guys how to add those variants because shocking that I tried 6 times to do it, and then I reached out to Printful's awesome live chat, and they told me, and I'll show you a screenshot, they told me that they're actually working on that part of their system, and they weren't sure when it was going to be available again, which it's going to have to be available really quick because people add variants all the time. But anyway, guys, so that will speed up the video. So let's get back to what we were talking about, which is adding a sale price or compare at price to your product on Shopify. And I already did it, and I actually didn't hit record. So I'll do it again for you. Okay, so we'll go over to products, and then I'm going to search my product. I love golf. Where are you? Where are you? Where? There it is. Then just click on the product, guys, that you want to use. Again, I already did it when we were not recording, but what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to click on the variant down here, okay? It's going to select both of those. Then you're going to come over here and hit bulk edit like so. And as you can see, guys, I already changed it when I wasn't recording. But if you have a new Shopify store, guys, you're probably not going to see the compare at price in the columns here. So basically all you do is come over here, click on columns, and then look for compare at price and make sure it's checked, of course. And then you can add it, guys. Again, I already added it, so I don't have to show you how to do it, but you just simply click in the box and edit it. And I just learned of another way you could do it, but if it's not if you haven't bulk edited before, this probably won't be an option for you. But being as though I have, you could actually just click on the product down there, and then it displays right there too. So, and it tells you the profit. So we're going to make $13.05 for every purchase. And speaking of that, guys, like I said earlier in the video, I hope to make either a short video or maybe a really short, long form video showing you guys how many sales we generated by doing this. And again, I'm gonna put a banner up on the top of the website for the next 12 hours. And again, hopefully we'll get some sales. But I hope this helped. If just one of you, that's wonderful. That warms my heart. And I think that's all I have today, guys. And it's a Monday, by the way, here in Mexico. And be on the lookout for that video or another video, guys. As you know, I've been making videos almost every single day over the last week or so. So stay tuned for my videos, and please like, comment, and subscribe, guys, if you love this beautiful face and this beautiful personality and you like to make money online. So I'll see your monkey butt soon. Peace to the out. Have a wonderful week.